Assalamu alaikum students. This is the subject of housing and home management 1. Lecture 3 we are going to discuss about decision making, which is an important part of management process. Decision making is the process of selecting one course from a number of possible alternatives in solving a problem or in meeting a situation. Now, the important point which you have to highlight and underline is positive alternatives, and in more focusing this thing, you have to underline one course, only one course from a number of possible alternatives. Decision making is the process, simply students, decision making is a process of deciding what to do, when to do, and how to do. When you decided that what you have to do, one decision, one definite decision, one definite plan of action, that is it, this process is called decision making. Now, John Davy suggested there are 3 steps involved in decision making, and they are: number 1, identify the problem; number 2, identify the alternatives; and number 3, select the best alternative. Now, here it is written that decision making process involves. Now, here are the points which have been discussed more clearly and explained in more clear way, that how you identify the problem, how you identify the alternatives, and how you select the best alternatives. These are the 3 stages of decision making process. Now, here are the sub stages of decision making process. Recognize a decision has to be made, identify the alternatives, evaluate the alternatives, make a decision, analyze and accept the consequences of your decision.